Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to download Hulu videos on your Mac for offline viewing. While Hulu doesn't offer an official method for downloading videos directly to a Mac, we'll cover the best ways to get your favorite content offline. Let's get started. Option 1. Hulu app for Mac, ad-free plans only. Currently, Hulu does not offer an official app for Mac OS, so there's no direct way to download videos on your Mac. However, you can use the Hulu app on mobile devices, iOS/Android, to download videos and then transfer them to your Mac via screen recording. Option 2. Screen recording on Mac, not recommended. If you're looking to download Hulu videos on your Mac, one option is to use screen recording software. This method allows you to capture content while it's playing on your screen. Install screen recording software. Download and install screen recording software like OBS Studio, QuickTime Player, or Camtasia. Play Hulu on your Mac. Open your browser and go to Hulu. Then start playing the video you want to download. Record the screen. Start recording the screen using the chosen software, making sure it captures the Hulu video as it plays. Save the recording. Once the video finishes, stop the recording and save it to your Mac. Store or transfer. You can now store the recorded file on your Mac or transfer it to an external drive like a USB. Note: screen recording might violate Hulu's terms of service and can result in lower video quality. This is not recommended for long-term storage. Option 3. Use third-party downloaders, not recommended. There are third-party downloaders that claim to allow users to download Hulu videos to their computer. These tools often bypass Hulu's official streaming system, but they come with legal issues and can expose your computer to security risks like malware. Warning: using third-party downloaders may violate Hulu's terms of service, and we strongly do not recommend this method due to security and legal concerns. Conclusion: unfortunately, there's no official way to download Hulu videos on a Mac. The best method is to use screen recording software while playing the video on your browser. However, this comes with risks like quality loss and potential violations of Hulu's terms of service. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.